Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I created this makeup look. I'm just going out shopping, but I got a couple new eyeshadow palettes because they were on sale. So I thought I would try one out today. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to prime my eyes with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to take that and put it all over my eyelids. So I actually like to do my eyeshadow first. I do my face and stuff. I know most people like to do their face first. For me, I like to do my eyes first because I have a lot of like fine lines in my forehead, and so and I also have deep set eyes, so a lot of times if I'm doing it I have to kind of like lift it up and squint to like be able to get the whole lid. So to make sure that I don't crease like foundation stuff, I just do it afterwards, because if I did my foundation first and I kept like doing my eyes and like creasing, going like that with my forehead, all my foundation would just be creased in my forehead lines. So I just thought it'd be easier just for me to do my eyes first. Okay, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to try the Juvia's Place, the Saharan 2 palette. I just bought it recently. It went on sale on their website, so I heard very good things about it, so I thought since it was on sale, I would buy it and give it a try. So the first shade I'm going to use is the shade Taza, which is this light brown orangey shade, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. And I forgot to mention, this is the Colourpop E2 brush I'm using. It's just a blending brush. But I'll have all the makeup and the brushes listed down below. I am going to go into the shade Fez, which is this darker brown right here. And I think I'm going to do, I'm debating if I want to do a halo eye or just do like more like a smoky eye. Just keep on the outer corner. We'll figure that out. Okay, so next I'm going to take the shade Nomad, which is this like shimmery purpley one right here. And I'm going to just place it all over the eyelid, and I'm just going to use my fingers for that. Okay, so then I'm going to go back a little bit with the Fez shade and just clean up the outer corner a bit, and then I'll go back into Taza and clean up the crease. So if you can hear outside, my gardeners did just show up, so if you hear that, I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do about that. So I am now going to take the NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium and place it over the shimmery parts of my lid, because like I said, I have deep set eyes, so my lids are kind of hooded. So if I don't set it down with this, it just starts smearing all the way up top, and I just get glitter all the way up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that. The nice thing about this is that a little bit goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot to set your eyelid. Okay, next I'm gonna do liner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm not gonna do a wing, I just don't feel like it today, so I'm just gonna line my eyelid. Okay, next I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm going to try using two mascaras. I'm going to try the Essence Volume Stylist 18 Hours Curl and Hold Mascara, and the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna prime my face with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Face Primer Matte. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Colourpop No Filter Foundation in the shade Fair 35 and Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation in the shade L20. Excuse me, next I'm going to go into concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm going to set it with the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in this shade Soft Light. Okay, so for setting my face, I have very oily skin, so I actually have been using two powders to set my face because the first one, All Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, I've been using that to set mainly my T-zone, which has really been helping keep the oils like under control and hasn't been breaking down my foundation as fast. And then on top of it, I put the Milani Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder in Fair Pale, and the Essence ones in Translucent. Okay, next I'm gonna do bronzer, blush, and highlight. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go into the Colourpop bronzer in the shade Private Party. For blush, I'm going into the Pixi by Petra blush in the shade Beach Rose, excuse me, and then I'm gonna go into the Nomad Illuminated Highlight Powder in the shade Midnight Sun. Okay, next I'm going to do the lower lash line, so I'm going to take Fez and Taza and put it in on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to put Aziza, this like shimmery gold shade right here, in my inner corner. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Megalength Mascara Hydro Fusion for my bottom lashes. I don't want to do too much for my brows, so I'm just going to go in with the AOA Go Big Fiber Brow Gel. For lips, I don't really want to like put any liquid lipstick on or anything like that because it's pretty dry right now, and my lips have, even though I've been scrubbing them like every day, they've just been feeling pretty dry and looking pretty dry, so it might look weird without it with this look, but it's okay, I don't care. So I'm gonna go with the Steve Laurent lip oil in the shade Orchid. And last but not least, I'm going to set my face with the Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray. So I'm not going to put any false lashes on. Personally, I don't know, I'm just not a really big fan. I don't like the way they feel on my eyelids. And especially I think too because maybe because of my deep set eyes, like I feel like a lot of times it's always like just hitting the top of my lid and it just makes me feel weird. So I'm not going to be putting any eyelashes with this look. I don't know how the lighting's going to be with this. I don't really have any fancy cameras or lighting setup or anything like that, so I'm literally just using my laptop sitting in front of a window. So I'm sorry if the lighting's pretty bad and I don't know how well you can see things, but I'm going to see if I can kind of fix it and edit it when I'm creating or editing the video. So this is the final look. So like I said, I don't really use false lashes. They just kind of bug me, so I'd rather just go natural lashes. I know it might look a little weird, but personally I just prefer it this way. So yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, if you give it a thumbs up, if you're interested in seeing more videos like this from me in the future, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want, I'm always open to constructive criticism, so you can go ahead and leave a couple comments down if you enjoyed it, if there's something that, you think could be better. Okay, so yeah, just go ahead and thank you for watching. Bye.